Oh, it's Byron, and thank you for joining me for another whole body weight workout. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a back workout and shoulder workout using the table for one part of the exercise, and then I'm going to use the chair for the other part of the exercise. So I'm going to jump back and forth between these two implements here, these two home workout implements, the table and the chair, the technologically advanced state-of-the-art table and chair for the whole body weight workout. Anyway, so I'm going to do back and shoulders at the same time. It is possible to do back and shoulders at the same time. I'm going to do a closed hand position with my hands behind my back, and basically jump back and forth, do 2 sets here, do 2 sets there. Just remember, there are 3 main hand positions when you're doing an exercise. You can do close in with your hands together. You can do shoulder width, or you can do wider than shoulder width. Generally speaking, I mean, you can mix that up a little bit, but those are the 3 main ones that most people use. So, I'm going to do close in hand position today with my hands behind my back, and then I'm going to do also on the chair. Do some also on the chair, okay? So, with that said, let's get started. I'm working the upper back and also the backs of my shoulders, or the tops of my back. Okay, so, and look up at the ceiling, stick my hands together, look up at the ceiling to put your body in the right position. I am using the edge of the table, so just be careful. Don't stab yourself in the back. Okay, you do have to be very aware of balance. When you have your hands together, when you have your close in hand position, you have to be very aware of balance. Don't go off balance. Don't lose your balance because it's very easy to do and fall over and injure yourself. And also, since I'm using the edge of the table, the point of the table, make sure you don't bring your muscles to such a point of failure to falling down on the edge of the table. Point. And if my muscles buckled completely, and I would just, I would hit myself in the back of that, the edge of the table, the corner of the table, would not feel good. Anyway, so I've done a couple there. And then I'm going to jump over here to the closed hand position. Also, back lift, back press. Again, looking up at the ceiling. Come down as far as you can. Yeah, this is very effective for working both, the back and the shoulders. So, very, very good exercise. And this one, actually, as I jump to the lower angle, feels more difficult just because, there's supposed to be more pressure on the area. Okay, so. And you will notice with the, as you do the exercises with your hands behind your back, you do tend to tire out quickly because it's just such a disadvantageous position for you to be in. It's such an awkward position for you to be in. It doesn't feel natural, and it isn't natural, really. All right, so, but it makes a good exercise. It's not natural, but it makes a very good exercise. All right, so let's go one more time at the table. Very effective back shoulder workout. Major muscle group workout. Major muscle groups. All right. Okay. You really start to feel that right away, which is very good. All right, let's do this one. it's that variation in angles. You know, once you jump from the higher angles to the lower angle, you really feel that in your muscles. It really feels excessively challenging, you know, which is great. Wonderful stuff. Okay? So now I'm going to flex. I'm just going to flex for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Get a nice little pump in there and rip the muscles a little bit more. Add more definition and tone to your muscles. It's always flex. It's always a good idea to flex. Not that you're trying to show off or anything, show off your muscles or something to ladies or anything, but you know, it's good to flex to actually rip the muscles a little bit more, you know. 20 seconds, 30 seconds should be fine. Alright, let's jump back to this one here and do one more set. Okay, just make sure to keep your lower back straight. And I'm getting very exhausted now. My muscles are feeling very exhausted now. So, jump back to this one. Okay. Yeah, and the close-in hand position, when you have your hands together behind your back, it's quite challenging, and it's you will get exhausted very quickly, more than likely. Oh, okay. All right. Very exhausted, very quickly. Alright, so. Yeah, with your hands together, it's, you really have to work on your balance. So that really adds a lot of difficulty to the exercise. Good way to max out. Good way to max out and reach your failure points quickly. Alright, so give another quick flex. Just flex for about 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Just add another little muscle ripping technique. Oh, good stuff. Good exhausting workout. I love being feeling exhausted at the end of a workout. And then energized. So usually you feel exhausted at first, and then usually you feel energized afterwards. Alright, so that should be long enough. Okay, so I'm just going to try to max out here and maybe do a plank or two. Okay, I'm just holding it as long as I can in about the middle of the range of the exercise, the range of the motion. Just be careful again, this is the corner of the table. I'm doing this on the corner of the table. You can obviously do it from the other angle if you want to. I'm doing it from the corner because it's really better for the camera angle. And it's also, I can put my hands kind of in this position and kind of hold the edges of the table. So like I'm doing here, I'm sort of holding it here. So, okay, so my muscles are a pretty good point of failure there. On the isometric holding. Alright, so let's go back to this one. Oh, this is stop. Hold. And the lower angle really feels more challenging after you've done it, when it amounts to a relatively higher angle. So, that is a very effective back and shoulder workout. So let me go over here to this position. I can talk to you. And no, that's actually a very good workout. you vary the angles. You go from the higher angle to the lower angle, and you really feel the difference overall in the workout and the pressure on your muscles, especially when you have the close-in hand position. Works really well to just really you feel the maximizing power of it, in your muscles, and how it really works them out extra hard, extra difficult. Anyway, so this is Byron signing off, and we'll see you next time in the next round. And have a wonderful day. See you next time.